Guys, here's the smart contract deployed on Binance Smart Chain, and this is the smart contract address. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to deploy a smart contract on Binance Smart Chain. Before deploying our smart contract, scroll down, click on the subscribe button and also the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. To deploy a smart contract, we will need a smart contract and a Chrome extension named MetaMask. You can download MetaMask by going to
Chrome extensions, and download MetaMask. I already downloaded MetaMask. Here it is.
Next. We will configure our MetaMask to Binance Smart Chain. Now, I've put this link in the description. You can open it and save this details to MetaMask. Now, first you have to create a wallet, and next click on, first it will show Ethereum mainnet. Click on Ethereum mainnet and click on custom RPC and write these details here,
Network is Smart Chain, RPC.
etc. So after configuring your MetaMask, open a website called remix.ethereum.org. After opening Remix IDE, click on this file tab, file icon, and name your smart contract, say s.sol, and paste the smart contract code in it. Next, click on this icon and select Inject Web3. First, we have to change our network to BSC. Select Binance Smart Chain. This is changed successfully. We will select it. We'll just select my wallet. Just reload your IDE if it is not showing the correct information. Guys, now let's deploy our smart contract on Binance Smart Chain. Click on this icon and select Injected Web3. Next click on Confirm Binance Smart Chain. Now let's verify it. Now here's the smart contract where we can set the message to Gajesh Naik, and a message will pop up, and $0.001 will be cut for setting the message. Now click on this button and copy transaction hash and open BinanceScan.com and paste it here and click on search. Guys, here's the smart contract deployed on Binance Smart Chain, and this is the smart contract address. Let's verify it. Open. Here you go. Guys, here's the smart contract URL. You can verify it. I will put the link in the description. Thanks guys for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel and hit that bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video.